Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jiz. My pronouns are they, she, or he, and I do things on here sometimes. I said it in my last video and I just want to say it again. Thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers, and it's just like that is so many people, and I really appreciate all your support and just everybody. Thank you so much. I can't really believe it. Today I'm going to be doing an outfits video. Long awaited. A lot of you have been commenting and I'm happy to finally deliver. These should be dress code friendly if you have like a reasonable school. I didn't, so I understand. Let me know your favorite ones in the comments. And I hope you enjoy the video.
Starting off with the classic formula for a grunge outfit, we got the flannel, the shirt, the jeans, and the Converse. You can never go wrong with this one. I will warn you now that this is the only outfit that does not feature my new boots, so enjoy it while it lasts. Anyways, I thrifted this flannel, the brand, I will put it on the screen because I do not remember. The shirt is band merch from a band called Arcadia Grey. They're from Chicago and they're awesome. If you do check them out, which you should, I recommend Skirt Cobain. The glasses are one of my best Dollar Tree finds, and I made the earrings. Spider necklaces from shop Tunnel Vision, and my bag is gifted from Mink London. I would not spend $55 on this bag. Jeans are from the men's section at Walmart, and shoes are Converse that I got used on Mercari for like $10. All right, we are on to the next one, and say hello to these boots. Oh my gosh, I love these boots so much. If you want to know more about them, I did an unboxing video / review. It's the video right before this one, and I will also link it in the description in case you are interested. All right, on to the deets. This dress, I got it on Threddup, which is an online like thrift store essentially. The brand is One Star Converse, which is really interesting. I didn't know they made clothes. And this flannel type jacket thing that I'm really excited about. I got it at the Goodwill bins. The thrift gods blessed me. And I put this little star on it, and it looks a little weird in person, but whatever. The glasses I got at the Dollar Tree, and I think it's really funny that a lot of the glasses that I really actually wear are from there. This necklace, one of my mutuals made it for me. We did like an art exchange, and she makes them, so I hit her up. And this other necklace is from Tunnel Vision, and I usually like to wear it on the skull side. And also this ring, oh my gosh, this ring I got it at a street vendor in LA, and it weirdly matches like the necklace that I got, and like it's weird because I got them on separate occasions, but they match really well. Yeah. And if you're an OG subscriber, you know this bag all too well. It's my ugly uniform skull bag. And that is the whole fit. All right, this is our next outfit, and in these clips I was listening to my favorite song at the moment, which is Harness Your Hopes by Pavement. And I think it's really funny that it's my favorite song at the moment because I did not really like it at first, but it really grew on me. All right, so this whole outfit is from Threddup, and oh my gosh, Threddup, if you are watching this, you want to sponsor me. You really want to sponsor me. The brand of the sweater I will put on screen. It is really thick and really soft, and it's just awesome, and I think it was like $5 too. It's great, and I just put the star on there with safety pins, and I got a whole star theme going on with this outfit. The necklace, the ring, the bracelet, which are all from Tunnel Vision, by the way. This little cute thing that I put on my bag is from Uninspired, and I love it. It's so cute. It matches perfectly. The brand of the skirt is Exhilaration, which is like the old Target brand. And these glasses I got very recently at a gift shop in Santa Clara. All right, for the next outfit, we have this one, and when I was recording these clips, I was listening to Love Song by The Cure. I recently got into The Cure, and I have been, like, obsessed. I love them so much. I love Robert Smith. He's actually on my tank top that I'm selling on my Etsy, casual self-promo. All right, my dress, that's actually a really long skirt I got at Dee Dee's Discounts, like, a few years ago. And this flannel, oh my gosh, every time I wear it, one of you always asks me where I got it, and my boyfriend gave it to me. I'll put the brand on the screen, but I put the star on it and like the pins or whatever. By the way, I don't think I mentioned it, but this is my everyday bag and I got it at a shop in San Francisco. Oh my gosh, my Dollar Tree glasses and my ring. I almost forgot about my ring. My ring is from Lesser of Two Evils, and if you turn it around and look closely, there's a fly on it. And here's me looking cute while leaning on my door. Alright, this next outfit is probably my favorite, and by the way, I was listening to Lovely by Mount Eddie in this clip. I think that's important to mention. Here I am wearing this jacket that I also found at the Goodwill bins on the same day as my other like greenish flannel type jacket that I really love, and I am so happy. That was such a successful thrift day. The brand of the jacket is Lee and it has cool plaid inside. I did put all the pins and studs and patches on it myself, and I filmed it for my next DIY video, which should be coming up after this one, or if not like 2 videos after this one. Some of the studs have fallen off already, which is kind of frustrating, but what can you do? The dress I got from ThredUp, so ThredUp if you're watching. And my backpack, oh my gosh, this backpack, I got it at a garage sale maybe 7 years ago. I patched it up with dental floss pretty recently, and I put a patch on it and some pins, and I brought it back to life. Also, I put this really cute like otter thing on it. Oh, and my necklace, I like to wear this necklace every day. It's from Tunnel Vision, the Black Widow necklace. And yeah, that concludes this outfit. Alright, and last but not the least, we have this outfit. This outfit is so comfortable. It is so warm. I think that I'm going to be wearing this or any variations of this a lot this fall. Oh, and in these clips, I was listening to Provision L3 by Against Me, and one of my followers on Instagram recommended it to me. Pretty good song. I like it. These pants are from Tunnel Vision. I love them so much, even though they were quite expensive. The hoodie I got at the Goodwill bins, and I just made this patch and put it on there with dental floss. The hoodie, I believe, is American Eagle. The patch is the same design as I have on the tank tops that I'm selling on my Etsy, so check that out if you like them. And like I said before, that was Robert Smith. Yeah, there's nothing else new here. You know, the backpack, the glasses, the shoes. So yeah, that's it for this outfit. And for the video!
Yeah, I'm still wearing the last outfit right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, let me know your favorite in the comments as always. And yeah, thank you so much for your support and for watching, and I will see you in the next one.